Good morning, students. Myself Abhishek Sharma from Mount Litera Z School, Jhansi. Students, we are on chapter 2 of class 11 statics, and today I am going to discuss information through questionnaire. So, under this method, the investigator prepares a questionnaire keeping in view the objectives of the inquiry or investigation. And basically, there are two ways of collecting information on the basis of this questionnaire. One is mailing and other is enumerated method. Mailing questionnaire. Under this method, questionnaire are mailed to the respondent. A letter is attached with the questionnaire giving the purpose of inquiry. It is also assured that information would be kept secret. The respondent notes the answers against the question and return the complete questionnaire to the investigator. So this was the mailing of questionnaire method. Second is enumerated method. Under this method, a questionnaire is prepared according to the purpose of inquiry. The enumerator himself approaches the respondent with the questionnaires. The questionnaire which are filled by the enumerator themselves by putting questions are called schedule. Once again I repeat, the questionnaire which are filled by the enumerators themselves by putting questions are called schedules. Thus under this method the enumerator himself is the schedule. After seeking information from the respondent, enumerator are those persons who helps the investigator in collecting the data. Enumerators are given training to fill the schedules and put the question intelligently to obtain accurate information. Now, what are the qualities of a good questionnaire? What qualities should a good questionnaire possesses? Basically, there are some qualities which are desired in a good questionnaire. First is limited number of questions. This means 10 to 15 maximum. Simplicity. The language of the question should be simple and clear. Proper order of the questions in the questionnaire. No undesirable question should be there in questionnaire. No non-controversial questions should be such as can be answered impartially. So no controversial question should be asked. Calculation. Question involving calculation by the respondents must be avoided. Pre-testing or pilot survey should be done. Instructions should also be given. Cross verification. And last is request for return. Request should be made to the respondent to return the questionnaire completed in all respect. Now the last topic is types of questions which should be entertained. Simple alternative questions. These questions are answered in yes or no, right or wrong, and good or bad. So there are not much choices in this. Multiple choice question. When there are various possibilities of a particular event, multiple choice question MCQ are generally asked. A number of possible answers are given for such question. The respondent is to tick mark the one that he feels the most fit and best. Third is specific information question. Only specific information is obtained through such question. For example, in which class do you read? Or how much pocket allowance do you get? This means this type of questions have a specific type of answer. Now, the last question is open question. In such type of question, the respondent is requested to give his views on specific issues. This means he has a right to give his opinion or give his ideas related to the question. For example, how can price in India be controlled? So there are n numbers of ways to control the price in India, and what does he suggest as per his will, is his experience and his skills. Or we can say, how can proper shortage in the country be overcome? So for these questions there are many n number of solutions, and in such case the respondent is requested to give his views freely and independently. There are no restriction on it. So students, that's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.